Hello, this is our standalone harness for the 2002 to 2005 2.2 liter Ecotec engine. In this video I'll walk you through how it gets installed.
Okay, first thing we want to do is take our PCM connectors and feed them up through. Usually if you do the black one first, that's a bit easier. And the blue one.
Now let's plug in the PCM connections. Next we feed the plugs and relays up to the passenger compartment.
Okay, so we want to take the wiring harness and essentially feed it down in between the radiator hose and the engine. So let's take the whole works here and send it on down. Start with your two grounds. We'll get those first. Those are right here at the transmission. Where your 15 millimeter comes in handy. Okay. Next up we got our high position sensor. That's right here. And we've also got our fuel pressure trigger, fuel pump trigger. Normally we have the pressure switch here, but it's actually on this car up over here. Either way, you plug it in. Okay. Alright, now we go underneath. Okay, next up we'll get our fan. That's usually a tough one because the water tube's in the way, but this car's had that modified a bit, so it's easy. Alright, let's get the fan. Next up, let's get the starter connections. Okay, got that. Next up, we got the knock sensor right here. Take care of that. Okay, next what we want to do is feed this just up towards the top, just so you can reach it. Okay, now we'll go back up top. Okay, so now we'll pull our wires up. Start with the fuel rail connector. Like that. Got our throttle position. Oops, wrong one. This one. Got idle air control. And finally, alternator control, which is sometimes it's a little tight. It's fun. Okay, so that's that for here. Okay, so now we want to roll the remaining portion of the harness up. This would go to your air intake. And what we do is just feed it up here. We'll get the spark control on first. Then we feed this back. We'll have to move the camera to get that shot. Okay, so now we want to plug in our air intake, or sorry, coolant temp sensor. Goes right here. And the oxygen sensor, which goes right here. Okay, that should be everything under the hood. Okay, inside the car, pull this guy the rest of the way through. Usually I go up and over the column, but to shoot the video easier, we're just going to hook it up like this so you can see what's going on. But normally it'll go up over the column. We got our main 6-pin connector for the box. We have fuel pump connector. There it is, it's the black one. This wire runs back down to the fuel pump. And now we got the ground for the harness and the ground for the box. Okay. Moment of truth. Turn our kill switch back on. Show my neutral.